Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am in a dollar spot, but it's at Walmart. Let's go shopping. So this is something that is popping up in more Walmarts now. It is their dollar shop is what they're calling it, and they have some fall decor. I'm going to show you guys that first. Lots of signs, and I will say that a lot of what I'm finding is actually $5. So they have this one in Leaves Are Falling. I do like that beaded edge on that sign. They've got these down here. Here, the pumpkin to my spice, and then this one that is really pretty. Gather together, and then lots of little things. So these are great for tier trays and coffee bars. They have a mug in Blessed, $5. I did notice that they're putting out a couple of these signs. So this one is Give Thanks in the green. It's also $5. Maybe they should just call it the $5 spot. They also have It's Fall in the orange. And these are really cute. So this is the back of a truck. A pumpkin. They also have a really cute turkey in Gobble Gobble. So down here I was looking to see if these were actually different pies, but looks like they're all this version. It says Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pies, and it just repeats, and it's a $5 item. Really cute. Over here they've got an entire end cap of the little miniature stacked books. So they're obviously faux. This is the red one. They have it in an orange, in an off-white or cream, and also in the green. And these all have the greenery on top for $5. They also have some small woven trays in the darker brown and the lighter brown, and probably bigger than a napkin, so you could do it as decor. They also have this little truck for $5. Got another little sign. And down here they've got all these little beaded garlands. So these are $5 items. So we've got the orange. This one in Blessed, it's more of a brown or mustard. They've got it in the blue in Harvest. And this one in Hello Fall, it's more of a burgundy. So again, they are mixing in some fall items with other items, but this is way more stocked than any Target dollar spot I've been to. So the first thing are these mason jar signs. They're just little freestanding signs. They're only $3. It comes in this version and in the white. Happy fall, y'all. They also have these that are a cork trivet, and that's a $3 item, so it comes in the sweater weather. They also have it in the plain cork version. It says Fall, Breeze, and Pumpkins Please. Down here they've got different little dish towels. So I noticed these are just one dish towel, but it is a $3 item. So this one is between a brown and a mustard. And then they've got this one in the patchwork with the leaf, and then the green. I think I love fall most of all. But down here, do you see it? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. They have the cutest little piece of pumpkin pie. So it's pretty heavy, it's wooden, it's got the burlap and the little pom-pom. It says Happy Fall, y'all, and has a little hanger. It's $5. They also have some sets of coasters. They're a 2-pack for $3 in the green and the red. And these are what I really wanted to show you guys. Now they are $3 a piece, so I'm not remembering what Hobby Lobbies were, but they have a few of the miniature rolling pins. So the orange says Grateful, and then they've got this one that I think is my favorite, Hello Fall. So cute, and I like that you can buy them individually. Hobby Lobby's now selling them in a set where you have to buy all of them. Let's see, this one says Thankful, and then they've got this set of wooden spoons. It is $5, and they're colored, and then they have little sayings on them. And then I noticed up here they're selling the 3 set of the mini signs. These would be good in tiered trays. So you get 3 to the pack, and it is a $5 item for 3 mini signs. They have some Nightmare Before Christmas sponges and some DIY crafts. So they've got a pumpkin and an owl. They're bisque, and they come with the little painting kits. Over here they have some nice candles. So autumn leaves and pumpkins please, $5. Looks like this is a different version. Oh, I like this one. That's the gold. It says hello fall. Very nice. So it looks like they're also putting out some socks. These are $3 a pair. Just a few different fall colored socks. The majority of this is not fall decor, but there's a whole row of stuff behind me I'm going to show you guys. They do have a lot of kid-friendly items. If you're looking for that, you may want to check out your Walmart. There are other decor pieces like these that are photo grids, so just different little clips on metal pieces. Those are $5, and it comes in a square. Up here they have some stuff for the pets, different little toys, and then some little $1 bandanas for Halloween. These are really cute. So they also have some different little things for the pets where you can just put in their treats or their food to have them take a little bit longer. Let me turn around and show you what's behind me. See what they've got over here. Oh, these are so cute. These are little boo bags that say you have been booed. So you get 8 with the little tags for just $1. That is not bad. These are the little ghosts, little treat bags. They come with little matching stickers. Up here they have a few more of their boo bags. They have the leftover containers. These would be great to put maybe a little bit of pumpkin loaf in and give to friends and neighbors. Just $1 and you get 2. More bandanas for the dogs. They also have these little bat wings for dogs, and I think these are considered a pet costume. They're $5. They have the little, what would this be called? It's $3, a festive neckwear for your pets. They also have some decor pieces. These are $5. So I've got a cat gargoyle, a toad, and a skull and a crow. They have some pet lick mats and some doormats for $5. They have all kinds of stuff along here. Some of it is seasonal, so I'm going to show you guys that. They have these little vases that definitely look a little bit like Studio McGee. They're $5 though. Chips and dip plates. More patterns. Lots of kitchen utensil items. They've got some bone necklaces for Halloween. It's an 8-pack and that's $3. Oh my goodness, we just saw these at Target. Okay, interesting. This is way more pampas grass than you get at Target, but those are $3 a piece at Target. This is one big one and it is $5. Got lots of Halloween scrunchies, pairs of 2, some fun dish towels for Dia de los Muertos. I think these are, yeah, the marigold garlands, $5 for those. We also have the sugar skull banners. These are like a heavy felt, $5. They also have some melamine style platters, trays for $5. They have some stemless glassware. They're pairs of 2 for $5. Down here they have some shot glasses. More glasses down here. Some are plain. These are fun little candle holders, I think, votive holders. $5 though. They've got this one in the pumpkin and then gold skull. Just saw these sitting here. They are bottle corks or stoppers. They're $5 a piece. Definitely Halloween stuff. Now I'm guessing these are just here. They're the Jabber and Jack. Target had these last year. They're just kind of randomly here with a bunch of other stuff. Ooh, these are pretty. Little vases. That's definitely one of their new fall items for $5. More vases. Love this one. It's a good size. These are a little bit smaller. This one is $3. And then they have more votive holders, purple and green and black, and the vase that we saw down below. These are so fun. So these are actually $5 items, little skeletons. This one's the frog. I see a spider and a unicorn. So they have a tray for Halloween out. It's got some little gold handles. Definitely the type of tray you'd find in a Target dollar spot. Looks like it is a few different kinds or types. So they are getting a little crazy. This is a $5 item. You could cover it or DIY it, but it's a little nuts. They also have some crafty things, some scratch art, and some wood ornaments, some little masks that you can paint, some cute little $1 items. They have pumpkins and little text signs down here. Ooh, this is cute. Little grocery list. That one's just $1. And they have some bead kits for little crafts, and these are just $1. So they've got the corn and a pumpkin, little spider. Down here they have some real pretty florals, so that's $3. And then they have some faux branches. That's a $3 item. And then down here looks like they have some more candles. They are brown and green and orange, but they are $3 a piece. Fall floral has begun to hit the shelves. So all of these are larger picks, I would say, and they are priced at $3.98. So you're gonna wanna make sure you really love what you're picking up, because the prices have definitely gone up. I do love this one. I have a lot of this one at my house. This one is gorgeous. Love the colors in that. And then I also spotted this, which is so pretty for Halloween. This is the black and orange mums. They also have a few little $1 picks. This one with a little bit of greenery, a pumpkin, and a sunflower. On their floral aisle, they have some more picks. Now these are their berries. I'm guessing these are like $1.50. That's what they usually are. They also have a green pick with some berries, floral, and a green pumpkin. So I also want to mention to you guys, in the home decor section, they have these gorgeous milk jugs in the copper. So the big one is $14.18, smaller one is $11.14. They are putting out new decor. Lots of new, more modern looking pieces. They have some boho baskets. Now this one is $10. I really like that. Down here they have something else I wanted to point out. They have this, which is very on trend right now. Things at Target that are this size cost a lot more. That one's $13. Down here they have another noteworthy basket. It says that it is $18.92 though, so not down with that price. They've got lots of pillows on an end cap. They are $6.98. So they've got this really cute pumpkin with the pom-poms. That one's so cute. They also have a pumpkin in the plaid, black and white, in the orange. They have Totally Wicked with some pom-poms. This is like felt though. Maybe not even felt. I have a few of these shaped Fall Sweet Fall and Hello Pumpkin. That's really cute. And then they've got this one in a plaid, Hello Fall. It's plain plaid on the back. And they also have a little ghost and a boo and a little spider as well. Down here they've got this one that's so pretty. I love that one. Back in the fabric section, they actually have a ton of their fall ribbons hitting in the greens. Love the maple leaves. So they've got them sort of grouped by color scheme. I have a lot of this one at home. This one with the pumpkins. This one's really cute. It's got some little corn stalks and some chicken. Down here, more natural. This I love. Uh-oh. I might have to get some of this. I love that. We've got even some Halloween down here. And I love those neutral prints. More Halloween ribbon over here. And then they've got a few more fall prints. This one could even go into the holidays with the holly on it. So they're also putting out these blankets for $10. They're very soft. So they come in the orange, sort of a green, and then a gray, but this one has the pumpkins on a gray background. Very tempted. They've got more over here. I really like this one. Hey there, pumpkin. That one's so cute. Got a truck. They've got the little witch's boots, and that one has polka dot on the back side of it. So they are putting out their hay. It's just under $7. Pretty good size. I think that's probably going to be the cheapest this year. They're also putting out some really cool pumpkins for carving. These are carvable. I love the black. So big. Gold, burgundy. They are a little pricey, but they're something you could keep year after year. So they also have a lot of these carvable pumpkins. These are priced at $11. I'm seeing lots of black and white and orange. Hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Walmart and seeing what they've got for fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.